Now they have a file. This is the third time I'm recording this because they keep making announcements. So I apologize if I make a mistake because I don't know what I said because they keep stopping me because they keep talking. But our first step is now that we have our model and it looks good, I'm going to hit export G code. I can rename it if I want to. So if I want to change this, I don't want to remove the layer height, the material, or the printer type or the time. So make sure you leave this part always on there. It's helpful for me. Don't bother putting your name on it. That'll be added when you upload to Google Forms. So I'm going to hit save. I can now make sure it's in downloads. I'm now going to go to my classroom and we're going to go to 3D modeling and printing. We're going to go to classwork, go to info, 3D modeling form, click on the form. If need be, you might have to sign into Google. I'm going to start filling out. So I put Spooner, FlexiCat, single color. You'd have to type this, but I typed this the last 3 times I demoed this. Hit next. What color? I'm going to make it white. I'm going to hit next. To get the time, I'm going to look at the time over here. 2 hours and 5 minutes. Technically, it's between 2 and 3 hours. I could put 1 or 2 and that's close enough. As long as you're in the right ballpark. I just want to generally know how long it's going to take. I want it to be soon. I don't have any notes. I'm going to upload the file. So I'm going to add file. Select from your device. Go to downloads where I saved it. Oh. And I'm going to click Clat Flexi, open, upload file, and submit. Once I'm on this page, you could double check with me, but I can now see if I go to my side, which is over here, and hit refresh, there should be a new file. And I'll have to go take a look and figure out why. But that's what you have to do is just fill out the form and it should go up.